In this video, I'm going to review Arabian Oud's Mukhallat Najdi Maliki. I have smelled a lot of their mukhallats, all of their range right now in Saudi Arabia. I went to their shop and I smelled all of the mukhallats, different perfume oils, and the ones I purchased was one of them was this Mukhallat Najdi Maliki. This is very nice, very great smelling, different than other ones, and I'm going to tell you what are the different notes, how it actually smells, and is it good for beginners or not. So let's get started. So this is the package it comes in, and this is the cover, and then we have this magnetic box where this actually sticks to bottom like this, and inside this we have the bottle. So this is the bigger one. So they have different two types of boxes, one is small one and the bigger one. So this is Najdi Maliki, and if you try to see on the top over here, you can see this this has turned yellow or golden kind of color. So whenever you try to apply it and getting out of this like this, and if you try to apply it on your skin, it is going to turn yellow. Your skin is going to turn golden or yellow because it has saffron in it. So I have seen that the perfume oils or mukhallats, the mixture of different perfume oils that has prominent saffron in it, they are going to turn your hands or your skin yellow. So this is one of them. So let me tell you about the smell. So whenever you try to apply it, the most dominant note over here is rose. So although it is mixed with saffron, Indian Oud, then amber, then musk, so all these have a combined effect over here. They are mixed pretty well. You cannot detect Indian Oud or any barnyard kind of feel over here, and you cannot even detect musk over here, and you cannot even detect you can say amber over here. So they are mixed very well together to give this kind of smell. It is a bit if you ask me, it is a bit wet, damp kind of floral side that is a bit heavy. It is kind of ambery kind of smell with some florals in it. Indian Ouds is not detectable. It is not very fresh floral or very high pitched florals that are going to give you a headache. So I am mostly allergic to high floral notes, and I don't like too much high note of rose or any other flower. It is going to give me a headache. So this one is very nice, very different, because it has saffron mixed with it and other things that are going to tone down this rose. So this is a really nice smell. I would suggest that you try to sample it and try to get the whiff of it and how it actually smells. If you have used it or smelled it, you try to comment in the comment section below. If you haven't tried it, try it on an Arabian Oud shop or any Arabian Oud outlet. Try to get a sample first, that if you can call them and get them get a sample for you. So this is Mukhallat Najdi Maliki, saffron, musk, rose, Indian Oud, and amber. This is what their website says. I mostly get saffron and rose. They are the most prominent. Amber, oud, and they are not there. I think they might be in the background. They are mixed very well together. I cannot detect separate you can say separate notes from here. So rose is right now most prominent for me over here, and so I would suggest you can use it in summer, but I would suggest it to use it in the winter or a bit colder temperature or cool type of environment. I don't recommend it for very hot and humid summer. So that is all about Najdi Maliki. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Till then, till the next video, I am going to say goodbye. Take care and see you soon.